Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that are new joining me today, welcome. For those that have been tuning in every week and watching me, oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for joining and tuning in every week to my channel and helping me grow. Hey y'all, I have another delicious recipe. I'm going to be making some holy smoke party wings. This is going to be a delicious recipe that you can try anytime throughout the year, especially for football season. Hey, go 49ers! Hey, so let's go ahead and get into this recipe I'm going to be making today. I'm going to be using some party chicken wings. I'm going to be using some Gertie's premium barbecue sauce, the Holy Smoke flavor. I'm going to be using some Crisco, some Sazon, some black pepper, and some Tony's Creole seasoning. Hey, I have a co-worker here locally here in Ohio. His family has their own premium high-end barbecue sauce, and he gave me his barbecue sauce to try out, y'all, and it's really delicious. So I was like, hey, I can use this barbecue sauce and make this recipe and make it Bombay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into this recipe. We're going to be using my new Hamilton Beach deep fast frying and heat up. It has the door on it to prevent splashes. So I thought this would be a great product to use for this recipe, y'all. You guys can also check this out. I purchased this from Amazon, and the link will be in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Shout out to Andre Baker and the Baker family. Their mother is Gertie. I heard she was a great cook. She's since gone on and passed on, and she's with the Lord now, but she was a great cook. And this premium barbecue sauce is named after her. So let's go ahead and get into this Holy Smoke party wings, y'all. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean this chicken. Guys, I have my chicken clean and rinsed. Now we're going to go ahead and get ready to season it and put it in this flour. We're going to go ahead and flour it first. So let's go ahead. We got our oil heating up in the Hamilton Beach deep fryer. So let's go ahead and flour this chicken. And I like to use a big bowl like this because it's easier to flour the chicken. Again, I like to take the excess flour and shake it off. We're going to shake it off and we're going to put it on this plate here. And we're going to probably fry about 6 pieces of chicken wings at a time. All right, you guys. So I just want to let you guys know that this Hamilton Beach deep fryer needs to be between 325 and 340 for the grease to reach its temperature and to cook it at the correct temperature. And we're going to cook these chicken wings on for about 10 minutes. So again, let's get ready to season this chicken. We're seasoning it with the Tony's Creole seasoning. We're going to do some black pepper. And we're going to do some Sazon. Now I'm going to turn this chicken wings over. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Some Some Tony's Creole. Some black pepper. A little Goya. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put about 6 chicken wings in here to fry. 2, 4, 6. Now we're going to go ahead and close this. We're going to cook this for about 12 minutes. All right, you guys, we had I had moved this on 375 because when I took it out after 10 minutes on between 325 and 340, it was not as golden brown as I would want it. So I just moved the temperature up to 375, which is the max on this Hamilton Beach deep fryer. And I cooked it for 5 more minutes. So now it's ready to come out. And this is how we want the chicken wings to look. So I'm gonna dump them in here to get that oil off. And actually we can fit more than a few, we can fit more than 6 chicken wings in here. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, and we'll just do 10. Now we're going to set the second batch in here. We're going to close this to keep it from splattering all over the place. And we're going to cook that for 10 minutes on 375. So this is how the chicken wings look. And so after the second batch comes out, then we're going to get ready to coat it in this Holy Smoke Gertie's Barbecue Premium Sauce. Now this Gertie's Premium Barbecue Sauce is not your average barbecue sauce that you buy at the grocery store for 99 cents. It's actually a higher end quality and it's really delicious. So if you all want to check this Gertie's Barbecue Sauce out, please Google Gertie's Barbecue Sauce. All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and take out the second batch of chicken wings. We're going to hit open. Voila. There's that golden, crisp chicken wings that we're looking for. We're going to dump it in here to drain out the chicken fat or the grease. Now we're going to pour our chicken in here. And I just want to let you all know that this Gertie's Premium Barbecue Sauce is a high-end barbecue sauce. It's not your average barbecue sauce that you would pick up for 99 cents at your local grocery store. Again, we tried this delicious Holy Smoke barbecue sauce, and it's delicious. And we decided to make some Holy Smoke party wings, y'all. This would be a great recipe to try. Anytime using this sauce. Again, this is football season. So we're going to toss it in here. Toss this barbecue sauce in here. And if you want to try out this premium barbecue sauce, Gertie's Barbecue Sauce, Google it. Google Gertie's Barbecue Sauce. And you can purchase it. As you can see, this is how this barbecue sauce over this chicken. Party wings. And now we're ready to serve it. So we're going to take this. We added some ranch on here. You use your favorite dipping sauce, a little celery. Now we're going to just plate these chicken wings. And there you have it. This is the Holy Smoke Party Wings, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy. Please check out my other delicious recipes. And if you haven't already hit that like and that subscribe, hit it now. And please share my channel with everyone else, all your friends. And make sure you hit that subscribe and you make sure you comment. Hey, come back and visit me. I appreciate you all for joining me today. Have a blessed one. Bye.